Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotel Tours. We are here in Ocean City, Maryland at the Holiday Inn and Suites. I repeat, Holiday Inn and Suites. We are not at the Holiday Inn Oceanfront. Don't get that confused. We're at the Holiday Inn and Suites on the boardwalk. So all these rooms here are suites, which I'm about to show you. This room I'm about to show you now, or the suite I'm about to show you, all the rooms are like this here. Let's take a look. Emergency map on 18th floor. Very nice. Checkouts at 11. Deadbolt, latch lock. Sitting area. We got a ceiling fan with light. Sleeper sofa, table, another table. We got an LG TV, outlets to charge your stuff, lamp, place to keep your keys. Now we're getting to the kitchen area. So right here where I'm pointing, bathroom occupied as usual. They have a jetted jacuzzi tub and a rainfall shower head. Literally a circle shower head straight on the ceiling, make it look like it's raining on you. So that's cool. Sink, dishwasher. We got pots and pans. And then we got all this stuff here. Stove, oven, microwave, full size refrigerator. And yes, everything is clean. Here's the bedroom part with the 2 queen beds. Closet area. Dresser. LG TV. The beds were not terrible, a little bit stiff, but not bad. The linens are pretty good. And my ad, this hotel is just renovated. So everything's new. This is a renovated room too, might add. Phone's a little crooked, but it'll be okay. Here's the address if you want to stay at this hotel. We got some lights on the bed, on each side of the headboard. Right there where I'm pointing is a thermostat. We have central heat and AC, which we just arrived here last night and the AC was not blowing out cold, and the maintenance guy just came up and he went up in the ceiling in the kitchen where I'm pointing, did something, and it only took him like a minute to get the AC rolling back up. So, which leads me to say the staff is pretty good, pretty nice here. So, and everything does appear to be clean. The only maintenance issue I see is everything's brand new. Literally, the only thing I see is just peeling wallpaper. But that's it. Maybe in like 2 spots I see the peeling wallpaper. But anyway, here's the ocean view. Maintenance stuff is pretty good. We got a screen. We got some table and chairs. This nice covered patio area. Here is the outdoor pool, which is closed. They do have a heated indoor pool, which is open. Be checking that out later. Yeah, they got a bunch of water slides, and we got a hot tub over there, and they got another pool right there. That seems to be full but closed. And right over there next door, and then right over there next door, you got the Quality Inn. And here's Ocean City Boardwalk. It's a nice day out here. Here's all the Atlantic Ocean. And yeah. So You know what this hotel compares to is the Hilton Suites here in Ocean City. They're comparable. What I pay for this room, I'm actually staying on my employee rate from work. I'm only paying $89 for this room, which is a steal. It's always expensive, but please do not feed the seagulls. But no doubt in my mind that this place is going to be more expensive. And but you know what, you get pretty solid. All the rooms are suites. I think most of them are ocean views. You go get what you pay for. Oh yeah, Holiday Inn. Show the logo. But yeah, it's a pretty solid room. Other than that little mishap with the AC we had, he came and fixed it. And yeah. Let's take another pan of the room here. I don't think it's a bad option. If you have a lot of people. Other pan. We'll take another pan of the whole suite. Pantry there. Yeah, so this was the hotel room tour of the Holiday Inn and Suites, Ocean City, Maryland. And one more comment I would like to make about this property. One more comment I would like to make is, if you guys like jacuzzi tubs and you want an interesting shower, that's it right there. I will go show you this bathroom, but it's occupied. Just take my word for it. Really nice bathroom, rainfall shower head and everything. Well, with that being said, if you want a nice suite, all suite hotel here and you have a bunch of people, Holiday Inn and Suites Ocean City could be your place. And that being said, KW out.